little bit wrong angle. Yeah, but today there's something we are thinking of doing. I'm going to show you more of my house. Like, can I change things a bit? Because I'm just stacked up. Like, it looks pretty cool. Same music also is still in here. Although I just got I this took so long to yeah. Also, everything you see here took so long to make. So please leave a like on the video and subscribe. Leave a comment on how you like it. And then we got this. So that's how I got all those things. Sorry guys. I am sorry about that, guys. My mic just fell down. That was not good. Anyways, also I'm sorry if I'm not talking for a bit. I'm actually eating grapes. Yeah. Oh, oh, you could come to here. Hey, you. I see you. I see you. Oh, ha, woo, woo. Hit. Oh, I'm hitting. I'm hitting. I killed, and I killed. Okay, easy. See. I'm a pro. I'm a pro. You see that? Just so you're supposed to make this block of diamond come to the ladder. Technically, you have to do a little bit of parkour. Just a little bit, not too much. Just like a one block jump. Like that's how less. Just a one block. How easy is a one block jump, guys? Before I used to, even with a one block jump, I used to be like not so good. But now I just learned a bit, and I'm quite good at parkour. I'm not master parkour. Really good. This is my advantage. I just built it. Ouch! Ouch! Dude. I'm like I was half a heart. No, I can't fight with half a heart. It can't have a heart. How am I gonna fight? Hmm. Because half a heart is the limit. So, how am I gonna fight with half a heart? Yeah, it's like this. Yeah, and yeah, you have to use these buttons to pull in. Oh, this! I've seen this before. Oh, this is so bad. I could kill the skeleton first, and then how? Yeah, kill skeleton first. But I accidentally killed spider first. But okay. I mean, I'll take it. Okay. Okay. Because this is a hard thing. You gotta. Now I gotta get this to finally work. This all has to finally work. There we go. Got it. Yeah. The block that I'm blocked. Yeah. See, just get it. This is pretty hard. Can you see how much I'm struggling? Now I just missed a jump. See guys. I know I'm not sure. But I'm good parkour, and you see how hard it is. See, a dark round dog. Dog, bro. Downright a drown. Oh, I'm just killing it. No, I'm not. Okay. Dude, seriously? You made me destroy my redstone. How's that work again? I think this comes here to see. No, probably goes the other way for it to both work. Oh, sometimes. my experiments. How's it work? Hmm. That's working. It is working. Now just it's kind of hard and it's also kind of funny. I just fell down. Oh, how funny did that just look. Anyways, though. Also, screw you! Oh wait, you have phone? Oh, you want to come to my house? You're sorry for what happened. You can only come to my house. I know you have phone, but only if you can only come to my house if you like the video. That's fine. But you've seen my videos before. Can't you like and subscribe? That's it. 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 You don't like my videos? Take that. That's why. That's how you do not. That's how bad it is if you do not like it. It's fine. That's what happens. How hard it is, guys. So, yeah. What you can still do is the puzzle, and if you do it, yeah, yeah. And also, okay, first we gotta stop this from happening. Yeah, fix it. Yeah. Oops. Okay, then we got this. We got this. And then I took this. Okay, and then this. Okay, this is complicated. Okay, now how? Okay, how do I make this move on its own? We make this move on its own. Oh wait, because here now we. No, bad. Okay, so got that finally. Okay, then how do we use this? Yeah, see, a master at it. Yeah, and then we also got. I guess you do not know how you actually use this. You don't need these chests here, and this chest here. And also, in case you don't know how this works, usually these things will just draw water. Usually these will cauldrons will just be full of water. But you just have to make like a little bowl like this with the cauldron things. With the thing I'm putting at. Then just make a little bowl of it like this. Okay, you can make sides out of something. Let's make it out of this. But anyways, it's quicker so you can make it. And then you just put these I'm calling them cauldrons. What they call it again? Dripstone. That's what they call dripstone. And then put some cauldrons on the bottom, and then there'll be cauldrons. Yeah, cool, right? Then there's a bucket. You can just make buckets. It's just like the crafting table. I'll show you. I'll show you later. I'll show you later. You can pick it up. Oh! You can take lava. What is this one? Oh. I didn't know you can actually do that. Wow. Then you can just collect the whole thing. But here, there we go. See, it's so easy. Yeah, so we finally had this, and we also have our own guardian. What has just happened? Oh no. Okay. At least you can get it. Also, exploded. Does the seal still work? Ouch. It does still work. Yeah, it does still work though. Yeah, and also she just a bit. Bone. Tell me bones are quite useful. guys. Can we do this? Real quick, yeah. Just do that. Just do that. Yeah. And yeah, in case someone works, that technically works by like how much you jump. Like if you jump like crazy, you're jumping like crazy, then it will just assume you want to jump. So okay, you jump. You're running like crazy, then simply just wanna run, and it'll give you speed. Is that what it's called? Why did I just not think of that? It's Z. Is that what it's called? Yeah, speed. Speed. So we got it. So that's like helping us. So this is all gonna help. Okay. And I think if you're in big trouble, they will give us. I don't know. The thing, the thing, the thing that yeah, this. It'll give us this. And I don't know what this will do. And I think it'll give us something like this if we are using sword a lot. I don't know. I don't know any of this. Okay, guys. Oh, we can virtually add. Okay. So yeah, coming up inventory. Oh, whoa. Yeah. Oh no, bingo. This is okay. You know what? Let's do something. Let's just no. Let's just get rid of a block. So you can technically come into. There you go. There you go. Okay. Okay. So yeah, this is possible. Yeah, this is like a really hard. And it took so long to make it. I made this in play mode, but I mean, it took so long to find out how to do it, and yeah, there's a little bit of yeah, easy parkour. Okay, guys. Yeah, and I just took a bunch of damage. Okay. Oh, drown. I actually played this on my new. I mean, I played this I played another version of Minecraft before, and I got like wrecked by these drones. These drones are like my arch enemies. Now I'm taking revenge. Like I'm taking revenge on them for hurting me before. I still remember. Ouch! But you see how hurt that drone was. Like he must have got hurt a lot. I mean, it's technically a drown, and yeah, I may have said this in a video before, but drowns are technically this type of zombies. So I mean, it makes sense. Oh, tree? I think I'll take care. Think so? Maybe? Oh, I'm taking good care. Good care of these guys. I'm just running out of health by okay. Let's just swim. Okay. Yeah, I just ran out of health. Dude, anyways, even if we are not like really in big trouble, we still need to eat. We cannot always just go for somewhere. And you know the restaurants in Minecraft, so like we cannot go to fine restaurants in Minecraft. Like ask for a burger. No, we cannot do that. So here goes nothing. Oh, you know, let's hold this in our hand and show this to our round. Oh, that'll be like